Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namitha. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter 8, working with fractions of grade 7 mathematics of the new NCERT textbook Ganitha, Prakash. And in this video, we are going to discuss this figure it out exercise, which is given on page number 176 and 177. So question number 1 says, Tenzin drinks half glass of milk every day. How many glasses of milk does he drink in a week? That is one question. There is another part. How many glasses of milk did he drink in the month of January? So one day is given. They have asked for 1 week and 1 month, and specifically January month. Right? So let us try to find out the answer. So first what we do, we write down, this is answer number 1. We write down what is given. So what is given is, in a day, Tenzin drinks milk. Like in a day, in one day, it is half glass of milk. Okay. And what is asked is 1 week, how much will he drink? That's a question mark. And 1 month, and that is January month. That's a question asked. How much milk will he drink in this much time, right? So first we know that 1 week is 7 days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. Why are we converting into days? Because it is given for 1 day, right? Similarly, 1 month, January. If month is not specified, we generally take it as 30 days. But here it is specified. So 1 month is 31 days. Right, so now I told you the trick of keyword method. So what are the keyword here? The keywords are days and the glass of milk, right? So here it is number of days and milk. Now this is not in liter, it is glass, right? So in a day is drinking half a glass of milk, right? So first we find out for 7 days, that is 1 week. So 7 days, how much? This is we do it with keyword method. This is a question mark. Let me do it properly. So we do cross multiplication. And when we do cross multiplication, these two are multiplied. One is going down. That means 7 multiplied by half. 7 multiplied by half means 7 ones are 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. Now this, when we convert it into mixed fraction, we get 2 3s are 6. Small numbers are there, you can do it mentally. Divide 7 by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 1 is left. So 3.5 glasses. So in a week, he will drink 3.5 glasses of milk. Okay. Now they have also asked for 31 days, right? That is 1 month. So again, we write down the same keywords. Let me use, so number of days and glass of milk. So 1 day is half a glass. Half a glass. So 31 days means how much? Now you have understood that we are supposed to multiply. right? So when we do cross multiplication, it is 31 multiplied by half, that is 31 upon 2. Now this, when we convert it into mixed fraction, we get 2 15s are 30, one will be remaining. So 15 and half glasses. So in 1 month, he will drink 15 and half glasses. So this is answer number 1. Question number 2. A team of workers can make 1 kilometer of water canal in 8 days. Okay. In 8 days, 1 kilometer. So in 1 day, the team can make dash kilometer of water canal. And if they work 5 days in a week, they can make dash kilometer of water canal in a week, right? So let us try to solve this. So here we use the keyword method. So the keyword are days, number of days, and canal made, which is in kilometers. Right, so what was given? A team of workers can make 1 kilometer canal in 8 days. 8 days, 1 kilometer, and they have asked for 1 day. So 1 day, how much? Now you see here, if we do cross multiplication, 1 into 1 is 1, divide by 8, right? So now you understand that it is division. So 1 upon 8 kilometer, right? So in 1 day, 1 upon 8 kilometer of water canal can be made. So this is the first part of the answer. Now they have also asked, like, they work for 5 days in a week. So how much do they make? So same thing we'll use, right? So again, days are 5. 5, we will use the previous answer, right? So in 1 days, and this is canal made in kilometers again. So now we got that in 1 day, they can make 1 upon 8 of canal, 1 upon 8 kilometer. And they have asked 5 days in a week. So they are working 5 days in a week. Now if we cross multiply, just see. So when you use this keyword method, it's very easy for you to decide. Here it is multiplication. 1 is going down, means divide by 1. So that will not make much of a difference. So 5 into 1 upon 8, which is 5 upon 8 kilometers. Or you can understand in the terms of, like, in 1 day, 1 upon 8 kilometers. So 5 days, 5 upon 8 kilometers. 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 up. That we do 5 times. So 5 upon 8 kilometer. Right? So in 5 days, 5 upon 8 kilometer canal is made. This is answer number 2. Question number 3. Manju and 2 of her neighbors, they buy 5 liters of oil every week, right? So in 1 week, 5 liters. And then it is shared equally among 3 families. Okay. So 5 liters is divided into 3 families. So 5 by 3. Okay. Now, if they, how much oil does each family get in a week? And how much oil will one family get in 4 weeks? Right? So first they have asked in a week and then in 4 weeks. So first part is they have asked how much each family gets in 1 week. So 5 liter was brought and it was divided into 3 families for 1 week. So it is 5 divided by 3, right? So you can write down the facts like amount of oil bought is equal to 5 liters. This is for 1 week. right? And it is divided among 3 families. So each family, 5 divided by 3, right? Each family gets 5 by 3, 5 divided by 3 liters of oil in 1 week, right? So once we got a 1 week, it's very easy to find out for 4 weeks. 1 week is, so if you use the key method, or you can directly multiply, like if it is given for 1 week, you are finding out for 4 weeks. So you will naturally multiply 5 upon 3 into 4. But if you want to use the key method, then 1 week and oil in liters. So 1 week is equal to 5 upon 3 liters. So 4 weeks, how much? Right, so it is simple cross multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 5 upon 3. So 4 5s are 20 divided by 3. Right, so always whenever you get an answer in improper fraction, convert it into mixed. So 3 6 are 18 and 20 minus 18 is 2. So 6 whole 2 upon 3 liters. This much amount each family will get in 4 weeks, right? So you can write down the answer statement here. Answer is in 4 weeks, you can frame your own answer. In 4 weeks, each family gets 6 2/3 of a liter, 6 whole 2/3 of a liters of oil. So this is answer number 3. Question number 4. Safia saw the moon setting on Monday. She saw it at 10 p.m. Her mother, who is a scientist, told her that every day the moon sets 5/6 hour later than the previous day. How many hours after 10 a.m. will the moon set on Thursday? That's the question asked. So now let us understand answer number 4 first by visualization of a sort of diagram. Like suppose this is Monday and the moon sets at 10 p.m. So at 10 p.m. Then other days like Tuesday, after each day, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, they have asked us, right? So what is happening? What is given over here? This is Tuesday. Then this one is Wednesday. And this is Thursday, right? So we need to find out how many hours after 10 p.m. will the moon set on Thursday. And what is given? That after each day, like moon sets every day after 5 upon 6. Let me change the color. So this is at 10 p.m. Monday. It sets at 10 p.m. and every day the moon sets 5 upon 6. So plus 5 upon 6 here are on Tuesday. Then plus 5 upon 6 are on Wednesday, right? And then plus 5 upon 6 are for Thursday, right? So this we need to find out. We need to find out this calculation, right? So first let us do the calculation. 10 plus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6 because we are finding for the Thursday. Now we keep 10 aside, and if we take the LCM of this is 6, right? And 5 plus 5 plus 5 is LCM is same. right? So we just add 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15. So what do we get? 10 plus 15 upon 6. So after 10 p.m., we have to add 15 upon 6 hours. Now this is 15 upon 6 is an improper fraction, so we convert it into mixed. So what do? We divide 15 by 6. 6 twos are 12 and 3 is the remainder. So what do you get? This is 2 whole 3 upon 6. Right? 15 upon 6 is equal to 2 whole 3 upon 6. Now if we reduce this, 3 upon 6 can be reduced, 1s are and 2s are. So this is 2.5 hours, right? So 2.5 hours after 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. plus 2.5 hours. That means 10 plus 2 is 12. Half an hour means 30 minutes, right? So 12 hour, 30 minutes is the answer, right? So what will you write? You write the answer statement as, so on Thursday, the moon will set 2 hours 30 minutes after 10 p.m. that is equal to 12:30 a.m. Got it? This is your answer number 4. Question number 5. Multiply and then convert it into a mixed fraction, right? So what do we do first? I'll show you first in detail, then we can try it mentally also. So we multiply 7 threes are 21, 21 upon 5. Now to convert it into mixed fraction, what do we need to do? 21 divided by 5. So 5 fours are 20, right? So your whole part, this answer becomes the whole part, that is 4 whole. Remainder is the numerator 1 upon 5. So 4 whole 1 upon 5 is the mixed form, right? So this can be done mentally also, like here you can think of the table of 5, which is nearer to 21. So 5 fours are 20, so we write 4 here, and then subtract 21 minus 20, so you get 1, and 5, this remains as it is. The denominator remains as it is, right? So now let us write the other answers. So question number B, this is 4 ones are 4 and upon 3. Now this can be done mentally. So 3 ones are 3. So we write 1 as the whole part, right? And then 4 minus 3 is 1. So your remainder will also be 1 and your whole part is also 1. So 1 whole 1 upon 3 is your answer, second answer. Now question number C, 9 into 6 upon 7. 9 upon 7 into 6 you can say. Right. So first what do? We multiply 9 6 are 54 upon 7. Right. So now you think of the table of 7. So 7 sevens are 49. If we take 7 8s, it would be greater 56. So we take 7 as whole, and 54 minus 49 is 5. And the remainder, denominator remains as it is. So 7 whole 5 upon 7 is the answer. Right? Now the last question D, 13 upon 11 into 6. So first we multiply 13 into 6, which gives you 78 upon 11. Right? If you want, you can divide like this as I've divided. But if you know the tables, it's easy. Now 11 sevens are 77. So 7 whole. And 78 minus 77, remainder is 1 upon 11. So 7 whole 1 upon 11 is the answer. Right? So far we have learned multiplication of a whole number with a fraction and a fractional number with a whole number. So next, in the next video, we are going to learn what happens when both the numbers are fractions, right? So we'll cover up that in the next video. Thank you.